Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for a morning in the life. I don't normally do laundry in the morning, but this morning I had a couple of minutes to spare, so I went ahead and threw a load in. I used to always save my perfume for only when we went out, like on dates and such, but I started wearing perfume every single morning and it just instantly puts me in a good mood. I hurry up and get my makeup on before I go downstairs and start on breakfast. While the kids are eating their breakfast, I'll run upstairs and get my hair done. Maybe one day I will get my makeup and my hair done before I start on breakfast. That would be ideal, but I am just not there yet. I try to find joy in the mundane tasks like making pancakes. That for me is dancing. Honestly, sometimes to no music. Just start dancing. I swear by it. You know, my dad did that while I was growing up. He just woke up in the best mood possible. I really don't know how he did it, but he would always be dancing while making breakfast or asking us about our day, but in a really good upbeat mood. And I just remember how that made me feel as a kid and what good mood it put me in. So I try to do this as well. I already know this Nesquik is terrible for you, and if I had it my way, I would never serve this to my kids, but I pick and choose my battles, and I'm gonna let this one slide. And while breakfast is cooking, I'll usually pack lunches. I felt like a total rock star this morning because normally this dishwasher does not get unloaded until after lunch. Same with the counters. Normally these do not get wiped down until after lunch, but I had extra time this morning, which is very unusual. So I went ahead and tidied up. Like if you walked into my kitchen at lunchtime, you would be like, oh my gosh.
I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love.
Back down to this. I tried to make my coffee ahead of time this morning and have it ready to walk out the door, and he must have seen it sitting there. Luckily, I had some more in the fridge, so I just made another one. I went through our closets yesterday and purged so much, so I'm going to donate. I brought a yogurt because I wasn't able to have breakfast, and whoop.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were still.
Okay, so that is what a typical morning looks like for me. If it feels chaotic to you, it's because it is, but I love it and I wouldn't trade it for anything. So anyways, have a great day.